Namaste. Today we are making Maida Barfi with a twist. This recipe is simple, uses common ingredients, and tastes divine. Imagine a beautiful, perfectly set piece of barfi, glistening subtly and promising a burst of sweetness with every bite. We will transform humble Maida, all-purpose flour, into an exquisite confection that rivals any store-bought mithaai. This recipe demystifies the art of Indian sweet making. The absence of mawa or milk powder makes it lighter yet rich. Get ready to surprise your family and friends with this delectable treat. Let's gather our ingredients. Maida, 1 cup, ghee, half a cup, sugar, 1 cup, water, half a cup, cardamom powder, and dry fruits. The quality of the Maida directly impacts the texture of the final product. Ghee imparts a rich aroma and flavor. If you have homemade ghee, that's even better. The ghee helps in roasting the Maida perfectly and prevents it from sticking. Sugar will be used to make the syrup, which binds the barfi. Freshly ground cardamom adds an enchanting aroma. Finally, for garnishing, we'll use dry fruits, almonds, pistachios, or cashews. Each ingredient plays a crucial role. This simple ensemble of ingredients is all it takes to create a truly remarkable sweet dish. Now, let's move to the crucial step, roasting the Maida. Use a heavy-bottomed kadai on a low flame, add ghee and let it melt. Add the Maida to the melted ghee and start stirring continuously. Constant stirring is key to avoid burning. Roast until the Maida turns light golden brown and emits a nutty aroma. Turn off the flame and remove the kadai to prevent further cooking. This perfectly roasted Maida is the foundation of our delicious barfi. Section 4. Crafting the perfect sugar syrup. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Combine sugar and water in a saucepan over medium flame. Once dissolved, let the syrup come to a boil and simmer for a few minutes. Check for one-thread consistency by pulling a drop of syrup between your thumb and forefinger. If a single thread forms, you've achieved the right consistency. Add cardamom powder to the hot syrup and stir well. Work quickly as the syrup will start to cool and thicken. Combine this syrup with the roasted Maida for the perfect barfi texture. Section 5. Bringing it all together. Ensure you have a greased tray ready. Pour the hot syrup into the roasted Maida and mix vigorously. The mixture will thicken rapidly. Spread it evenly on the tray. Aim for a thickness of about ½ inch. Sprinkle chopped dry fruits on top and press gently. Allow the barfi to cool and set at room temperature. Patience here will reward you with perfectly set barfi. Section 6. The delicious finale. Once the barfi has cooled, cut it into desired shapes. Admire the beautiful, perfectly formed pieces. The taste is divine, subtle sweetness, rich ghee, aromatic cardamom, and nutty crunch. Share it with your loved ones and watch their faces light up. Store in an airtight container at room temperature. I hope you enjoyed making this Maida Barfi. Do try this recipe and share your experiences with us. Stay tuned for our next delightful traditional sweet recipe. Happy cooking!